Hello from the team at the Clark College Counseling and Health Center. We wanted to take a minute to introduce ourselves and let you know about some of the services that we offer. Thanks for watching. We have all been living through some really stressful times, from the COVID-19 pandemic to the social justice uprisings, from the economy to a really divisive political climate. We want to let you know we're here for you.
Clark College Counseling and Health Center offers free, confidential counseling and healthcare appointments to anyone who is a currently enrolled student at Clark. During remote operations, all appointments are offered over phone or Zoom.
Counselors meet with students to talk about stress management, relationship issues, academic struggles, parenting, anxiety, depression, and much more. We have counselors that are fluent in both English, Spanish, and Russian. We also work with students to help connect you with counselors in the community that might better fit your needs.
As a team, we want to provide a space that is welcoming and inclusive of all student identities. We aim to do this by partnering with other departments on campus, such as the Office of Diversity, Equity and Inclusion, and Disability Support Services. Please let us know if you need any translation or accommodations to access our services.
Hi there, I'm Ashley, Nurse Practitioner. I wanted to let you all know I'm available for telehealth appointments, where we meet over video and talk about any health concerns you might be having, things like depression, headaches, even a bladder infection. I also do wellness consults where I meet with students one-on-one, and we come up with a plan for how you can eat, sleep, move, and relax to feel your best.
We also offer groups and workshops to help you find community and build new skills. To find out what's coming up next, please visit our website. To make an appointment, you can text, call, or email us at chc@clark.edu or stop by our virtual front office. We look forward to meeting you.